Hey y'all, welcome back, Today I'm gonna be doing a quick little brow routine, so if you really want to see how I do my brows, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and use this little spoolie. I got this from BH Cosmetics. And I really don't have that much brows to begin with, so it really helps me out a little bit when I'm doing my brows, I guess you could say. I actually got my brows microbladed like 3 or 4 years ago, but you know that stuff fades, so mine has completely faded at this point. I need to get it done again, but I probably will do that when the world is a little safer. So I have brushed my brows out, you know how I want them, and I'm gonna start to fill them in. I'm not gonna talk throughout the rest of the video. I'm just gonna let y'all watch, and I will, do a voiceover if I need to say anything important. So the first thing I do is put a dot in front of my eyebrows at the bottom, and I use this as a guide because this is technically like how far I want to extend my brows. And then after that, I go ahead and start drawing my bottom line, and after that I will draw the line on the top. Oh, and guys, by the way, this pencil is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony, and everything that I use in this video will be in the description box below. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Brow Beader in the color Dark. I use this to fill in any spots that may be sparse, and I go in the front and do some little hair-like strokes. And I like this pencil because it's dark, but it's a softer brown than the pencil that I was using before, so it works really well. I'm just about to go in and clean up the brows a little bit. So I'm taking this Morphe brush. It's the Morphe M432, and I'm going in with the Maybelline concealer in the number 35 deep, and I use this to clean up the brows underneath up until where the arch is, and I use the same color on top as well. And now I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 129 to buff or like blend out this concealer before it starts to set. Okay, so this might be weird to some people, but I like to use a lighter shade concealer under the brow bone and to finish out the tail. This is the Maybelline concealer in the number 30 Cafe. So to finish off my brows, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Any brow gel will be just fine. You don't have to use this one. And looking back at this footage, I realized that the inner part of my brows are a little bit too boxy. And the reason why is because I usually take that same brush that I use to buff out the concealer, and I usually wipe some of that away, and I didn't this time. So now you know what to do for it not to happen to you. So yeah guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed that video. I try my best to show y'all exactly what I do to my brows almost every single time I do them. Sometimes they come out good, sometimes they come out trash, but that's just how it is. Let me know what y'all use on y'all's brows, because I want to try out other brands. I've been using Anastasia Beverly Hills for a very long time, and nothing's wrong with them, but I do want to try other things. So this is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. I will see y'all next time. Bye.